Hello, and welcome to A Beginner's Guide to Gardening in Cold Climates. My name is Maria, and I'm your instructor for this course. If you've ever wanted to start gardening but didn't know where to start, I've designed this course just for you. If you've bought your first house, decided to try out a new hobby, or want to grow plants for a profit, this course will cover the fundamentals that you need to grow plants successfully no matter where you live. This course is tailored specifically to beginning gardeners living in colder climates. Now, this doesn't mean that you have to live in the Arctic. A cold climate just means that you live in a place that has a true winter season where temperatures fall below freezing for a few months of the year. If you live in a place where trees lose their leaves in autumn, then you probably live in a cold climate. In this course, you will learn about the unique challenges and opportunities of gardening in a cold climate. We'll also uncover your personal gardening style. Everybody approaches gardening a little bit differently, and uncovering your personal gardening style is the key to success to make sure that you're spending your time and energy most effectively. You'll also develop a plan for your gardening season. Since this course is designed for beginner gardeners, we'll focus on how to make the most of your growing season so that you can master the basics. This will provide you with the fundamentals for growing plants successfully and will set you up to learn more advanced topics like extending your gardening season at a later date. The specific topics that we'll cover are finding your gardening style to help you focus your gardening efforts, what it means to garden in a cold climate and how to understand the climate where you live so you can select the best plants, how to select and assess a new garden or existing garden location, how to test and improve your garden soils, how to select the best plants to grow and when to plant them, and additional advice and how-tos for maintaining your garden over time. I first learned to love gardening through summer jobs selling farm market vegetables and landscaping when I was in high school. I've been gardening in the same location for 10 years, and I now have both flower and vegetable gardens that get bigger and better every year. I've spent a lot of time learning what works and what doesn't when it comes to gardening, and I just want to help you quickly learn what you need to know and jumpstart your way to gardening success. As I've learned how much I love gardening, I've been helping more and more people improve their skills. Each person finds different parts of gardening to be the most exciting to them. Some people are fascinated by turning kitchen scraps into compost. Other people love to explore the diversity of plants and will spend hours nerding out over seed catalogs. There are so many facets to gardening, and everyone craves something a little different. And because of that, I've provided additional how-tos and recommended resources throughout the course to help you dig deeper into the topics that interest you most. I'm excited to offer this course on Udemy because it provides an opportunity for you to ask questions as you go through the course. I hope that you'll take advantage of this feature and ask me the questions that are on your mind so that I can help you grow gorgeous plants. Let's go gardening!